Warning: watching these Python animations may cause extreme creativity. Subscribe at your own risk and enjoy the coding journey with electro4u.net. Hit to like and subscribe now. Let's start the code. This imports all functions and classes from the Turtle module, which is a Python library used for creating graphics and animations. This imports the colors module, which provides functions for converting colors between different color systems. Setting the animation speed to the fastest, so you won't see the turtle drawing each line individually. Sets the background color of the canvas to black. h_0 creates a variable h to store the hue value, which will be used to generate a range of colors. For I in range, 16 outer loop that repeats 16 times, creating multiple layers of the pattern. For j in range, 18, inner loop that repeats 18 times, drawing individual shapes within each layer. See shower colors.hsv2 or RGB H11 converts the current hue value H to its corresponding RGB color using the colors module. H plus 0.005 increments the hue value slightly for smoother color transitions in the next shape. Turns the turtle 90 degrees to the right. Circle 140 J to 690. Draws a circle with a decreasing radius, starting at 140 and decreasing by 6 for each repetition of the inner loop, and spanning 90 degrees. Alt 90. Turns the turtle 90 degrees to the left. Circle 150, J 690, draws a circle with a slightly larger radius, starting at 150 and spanning 90 degrees. Art 180. Turns the turtle 180 degrees to position it for the next part. Circle 4024. Draws a small circle with a radius of 40 and spanning 24 degrees, completing the shape. Done. Keeps the turtle graphics window open until it's manually closed, allowing you to view the final drawing. Hold your breath, folks. We're about to unleash a code-powered masterpiece. रुकिए दोस्तों, हम अब कोड की जादूगरी देखने वाले हैं. Subscribe to electro4u for more mesmerizing animations. अधिक मंत्रमुग्ध कर देने वाले एनिमेशन के लिए electro4u की सदस्यता लें. धन्यवाद. Unlock a world of animation magic. Subscribe to electro4u today and join the electro4u.net. एनिमेशन जादू की दुनिया को अनलॉक करें. आज ही इलेक्ट्रो फॉर यू को सब्सक्राइब करें और इलेक्ट्रो फॉर यू से जुड़ें। धन्यवाद।